Commercial carpets have a lot of heavy traffic, so they'll actually have more sand, grit and dust than normal domestic carpets. When carpets get very dirty, we call them professionals, and what they do, they actually add a lot of shampoo and water to the carpets. They scrub them with shampoo and then they wipe them down, basically bonnet cleaning. All that does, it adds shampoo to the sand and grit that's already inside the carpets. And if the shampoo is not properly extracted, then we leave a residue in the carpet. So our process is that we use always the Kirby to deep dry clean and remove all of the dust from inside the carpet properly. And once it's free from dust, then we shampoo using a scrubber, and then we rinse out the carpets. In this case, there's already a lot of shampoo in the carpets, and for us at the moment it's a matter of actually rinsing out the carpets and removing the shampoo and chemicals that were used from other cleaning companies. Once we remove all the shampoo, the carpet naturally stands up again and finds its natural balance.